like a little taller than that.
Okay.
We was looking for a fanny pack.
It's like a blue little like something. I don't know.
We got cameras in this on. Where's your injuries at, man?
Like from my finger, all type of shit. Like.
Do you need a ambulance right now?
No.
Ain't no service in here. He probably ain't no time. On 4th and where?
He's running at Peachtree and 7. That's the one right at Peachtree and 7.
Towards 7th? Where?
Just come down Peachtree. He's running towards you.
Oh yeah, I got him. Hey, where you going? Where you going? Yeah, I got him, 504, I got him. Hey, where you at? Hey, oh! Hey, shots fired. He just shot at me. Hey!
Copy shots fired. 19.
Hey! Hey, what are you doing? Wait, no, he's shooting at me. Hey!
Copy, so you're out.
504, he ran behind the building.
Copy, Peachtree and 7, Peachtree and 7, 63. We're good. It's been time a while. We're good. 504, what's your location?
I'm behind the building.
He's right here.
Hey! Put your fucking hands up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Ready?
I got him. Get on the ground. Don't you move. Put your hands behind your back.
504, where you at?
You got me? I got him. Show him his back.
One in custody.
504, I got him. I'll put him in custody right now.
I do want in custody. 9-5 type of one in custody. Units, are y'all okay?
What I do?
504, I'm fine. He shot at me, but I think I'm good. He ain't hit me. Get up! I can't. Get up! Think I'm playing with you?
I'm trying.
Get up!
I can't. I'm tired. I'm sorry. Can you help me?
I'll go 5
I'm
units.
playing with you, bro.
Code 4 to 63. I'll go 5 units. Code 4 to 63. Slow down your traffic.
504, I'm walking with him now. Walking back to the front. We're walking towards Peachtree right now.
Right on Peachtree.
Also, copy, I got a 69 recovered. He has a bullet wound to his right arm, right forearm.
Copy, Mel's gonna be.
Get up, bro.
Copy, Mel's gonna be shy. -5 radio. 795.
Bro, shot at me.
Wait on for about 67. About units check them first, please. All of 5 units copy at 67. All of 5 units copy at 67.
I can't.
Hey, I'm not playing with you, bro. Get up.
I'm going out.
Get.
I'm going out.
I'm not gonna lie, bro.
I can't breathe.
3503, bitch. Wait, what? 3503, you have a shot?
We're gonna be in.
Hey, check me, bro. Check me.
He's gonna be shot to the arm,
I can't breathe.
Mitchell, check him. No. Roll that. Make sure he gets here.
Get that fanny pack off him.
Stand by, 67.
I'm good. I'm clear. I'm clear.
We're here.
My money.
I'm clear.
Let me see.
Hey, brother. I'm clear. I'm clear.
Check all that.
I'm clear.
Go check.
I'm good. I'm good.
You good?
I'm good.
You good?
I'm good.
We're here, raising 3503.
We gotta put out. Here, bro.
We're just gonna have the suspect shot. No officer shot.
We gotta put it out. We gotta put it. Come on, put it turn.
Shot to the arm.
Turn around.
905, what's your location?
I can't breathe.
Just come down.
I got money on my bag.
Let me get that right.
Hey, what you got me doing here?
Is that the girlfriend?
Yes.
You're
Bro, he literally like, no, let me shut the fuck up.
Just sit, bro.
Let me shut the fuck up.
Just sit, bro. Put him to the side.
I got him. Sarge, I'm finna come out to Peachtree Street right now. This 504.